Hello, I'm Sally Rogerson for SR Education. Welcome to the SR Education Cutting Program. The three main bone structures on the head are the occipital bone, the mastoid process, the parietal ridge. To find the occipital bone, use a comb vertically, find the middle balance point, and that will be the occipital bone. The occipital bone will help to decide what technique is used. To find the mastoid process area, take your comb horizontally until you find the balance point. The mastoid process sits behind the ear and determines how wide or how narrow somebody's head is. This will help to decide what shape you choose to use. Take your comb on the top of the head, run through into the sides where you find that balance point is the parietal ridge. The parietal ridge is used to section your horseshoe-shaped sections. The consultation is an opportunity to wow your client. Always offer new ideas and keep them interested, and don't be discouraged if a client says no. You may have planted a seed for the next visit. The theory of hair cutting is the foundation of all our cutting work. Starting with our three techniques: line, graduation, and layering. There are three shapes: round, square, and triangular. Overdirection means to pull the hair out of its natural position. The amount of elevation you use decides the technique. Tension is the amount of stress placed on the hair. There are three kinds of sectioning: vertical, horizontal, and diagonal. Horizontal sections tend to keep weight and are used in a line. Vertical sections tend to remove weight and are generally used with layering. Diagonal sections push the hair in the direction of the section and are used mainly with graduation. How to hold your scissors. Place your ring finger into the upper part of the scissors and your thumb into the lower hole. Only place a small amount of your thumb and never go past your thumb knuckle. Eventually, after some practice, you should only allow one blade to be moving. One blade should be stationary and your thumb should be the only thing that moves. I will now show how to use both the comb and the scissor together. Hold your scissors in the correct manner. Now remove your thumb. Close your palm around your scissors. This is called palming your scissors. You will also be holding your comb as well, and this is how we would section hair and cut hair. Putting the thumb back in to cut, taking the thumb back out to section. This is another way to hold your scissors safely. Cut in the regular manner, rotate the scissor to this position, and hold your comb ready to section. Now I'm going to show you how to section. Use a good quality cutting comb. I'm using a comb that has the first tooth missing, which makes it easier to section. Hold the comb in your dominant hand and use your index finger of the other hand to help you section. Use the comb on your dominant hand, your index finger on your other hand to separate the hair away. Do not try and take the whole back section in one go. Work in smaller pieces. Put the head down as you get into the nape. Again, take your finger, push the hair away. This will help you to get a cleaner section. When taking a horizontal section, put your comb in vertically and the thumb from the opposite hand to guide the section and push the comb across the head. Use the comb to pull the head down and use the thumb to hold the upper part in place. Put the comb in vertically, use your index finger from your opposite hand to help push and guide the comb. This will give you a clean section